Hey guys, what's going on? Dewan Harden here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to a new episode. If you guys are not familiar with my channel, I'm in the work from home online marketing niche, and I teach people how to, develop a lifestyle of working from home, creating a lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Today's video is going to be basically why you should choose affiliate marketing. To go in a little bit deeper with that title, it's going to be specifically about affiliate marketing, but why you should be getting into the online marketing movement. It is not, should I say, with online marketing, it's been going on for a very, very long time. So it's not like this is a brand new thing going on. This may be a new thing to you, or you're just now getting started and you're getting familiar with things. But this is definitely the area in which you should, start transitioning your lifestyle towards. And the reason why I say this is if you have a entrepreneur spirit and you can't see yourself, or maybe you can see yourself, having a brick and mortar business, later on in the future, but maybe the affordability is just not there for you. But it's definitely something you want to have, whether you want to open up a McDonald's fast food chain, or opening up a clothing store or something like that. Those things are great ideas and things to get into, but if you don't have the financial funds in order to get those things started, where's it going to come from? It's not going to manifest itself, out of thin air. So it's not going to happen like that. So then you have the online marketing aspect. So if you can do the same exact things that traditional brick and mortar businesses have, but you can do it online without actually having any physical products, that's even better. And you can still market, build up your clientele, build up your cash flow. And if you decide later on you want to do a brick and mortar business, then you have the availability and you have the cash flow to do so. So the online market is the opening door, the key to unlock that door to doing massive things later on in the future. So I strongly suggest that you check out online marketing, take notes with this video, and I'm definitely going to be giving you tons of value in this video. This is what I do on a daily basis, so that you guys can get a firm idea on why I suggest affiliate marketing, which is what I do, as the avenue in which you get to the overall prize at the end of what you're trying to do. Now, if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's an online product, not physical product whatsoever, but it has tools. Most of them have tools, or it could be affiliate marketing could be anything else. It could be also physical products as well. So you could be an affiliate marketer for like Amazon, where you're marketing other various products and getting a sale off of those, doing a review or something like that for other products with Amazon, and you receive a commission from that. So it doesn't have to exactly have to be a non-physical product. You can also do physical products as well, and these are all great things to take advantage of. Even if you're deciding affiliate marketing is the path in which you want to do, and say for instance you're focusing on non-physical products where you're selling tutorials and tools that help you succeed in learning more about online marketing. You can promote that. At the same time, you can promote physical products. You can promote any and everything when it comes to this online marketing world. You don't have to subjugate yourself to just one thing, but you do want to conquer and master one thing, and then you can develop the more skills to promote other products. Once you gain the firm value on one thing, then everything else becomes repetitious. You know exactly what you have to do, and then it becomes very easy for you, and you can truly crush it out doing these things. So this is why I say affiliate marketing is just totally the avenue in which you're going to go. Um, Life is about sales. No matter what you do, you're always selling something. You're always in a position of sales. So once you realize this for yourself, then you might as well just go ahead and be the seller that you are, and hone in on your skills. If you're not experienced salesperson, hone in on your skills and gather more knowledge and more affirmation, so you know what you have to do in order to get across to the people that you're talking to. One, positivity is everything. So if you're in a negative aspect talking about something, it's not going to come across as you want it to to the people that you're trying to have a relationship with. All right, these things are useful, and also building value with whatever it is that you're marketing is always going to be the key. Building value is something you want to do, whether you're working in a sales position, as a regular job, regular 9-to-5 job, or if you're doing online marketing. In order to sell a product, you have to know what you're talking about, know the product, and build, a whole entire aura around that product, so that it makes total sense to the person that you're coming across with. Now, an example of that, my number one business opportunity that I promote on here, which is FunnelX ROI. Okay, FunnelX ROI has a series of different programs within FunnelX ROI that you can promote. You don't have to come in. It has a series of low ticket all the way up to a high ticket offer, and there's tons of training and so on and so forth. Now, when you get into this opportunity, you're not by yourself. This is the value. You're not by yourself. You have me. You have my, people that are above me and whatnot that are all working together. You have social media groups, Facebook groups that you'll be a part of, that you can, network with other people who are doing the same exact product and who are, definitely getting some success, that you can navigate and talk to these people to get more, knowledge on what it is they're doing and how they're able to transition their position to where they're getting paid, things like that. You have all these fundamentals at your fingertips. Like I said, you're not by yourself. So this is the value that you get. You'll always be, you'll always have someone cheering you on, giving you the motivation that you need to continue on, and basically giving you face value, giving you the hard knocks, the real on top of real, on exactly what it is you have to do for this business. This is nothing about a get rich quick, nothing like that whatsoever. So you do have to put the work in, put the time in. Time is everything. And simply just forgetting about what the time that's going to be embarked on, what you have to do in order to get to, sustainable income for yourself, just concentrating on your craft and producing content and, bringing a value of service to the people that you're broadcasting to. These are all key things that you want to, master with your business opportunity. Let me check my time real quick. All right, good. Got a few more minutes here. So with affiliate marketing, you have all these tools and things like that are available to you. So learn it, watch it over and over. If it's videos, watch them over and over again. Write down information. Give yourself, books to read, things like that. Or if not, Audible books and stuff like that, in order to keep on bringing the value to yourself and keeping the motivation there so that you continue on doing these things. Like I said, you can, you have multiple different things that you can be promoting with affiliate marketing. I already named off a few of them and stuff like that. My opportunity, you can start in as little as $25, or you can come in as high as $2,000. And that's 100% commission off of any one of the tiers you come in between the 25 and the 2,000. And, it's not you're only getting, 10%, you're only getting 20%. No, you're getting 100%. So that's awesome. You know, if you want some more information about that, definitely please check out the link down below, and that will give you all the information you need, and you can reach out to me and I'll be able to, you know, sit down with you and give you further details about what it is that I do for my affiliate marketing business. You definitely want to be a platform. Not saying you want to be a guru, because not everybody's a guru and stuff like that, and that's not what you're trying to be. You're just trying to be a sincere person that is trying to change lives all around. You know, our businesses, our jobs, should I say our jobs specifically, are not promised to us. You can go out here and spend 20 years and try to think you're going to get 20 years off a job. Some of that stuff is just not, you know, not achievable anymore. You know, it's just like people are being kicked out of their jobs. They're being outsourced and so on and so forth. You know, they're being let go for various dumb reasons. And it's just crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. If you're not fed up with it yet, you will be. And that's not to be on some negative for you. It's just clear facts. You know, the whole system in which we live in is designed for us to fail. And, you know, you can truly change all that. You can truly have a different lifestyle for yourself. You deserve a better lifestyle for yourself. And, you know, you should really just go out there and really achieve that for yourself, you know, and don't let no one else stop you. Don't let no one else get in the way of what you deserve and what your family deserves. So affiliate marketing is totally going to be a great option, a great solution, and a great doorway opening to multiple of things that can come into your life. So I encourage you to go ahead and get started. It's all about taking action. If you're just sitting here watching the video, waiting for something else to pique your interest, or waiting to see what someone else is going to do and everything like that, you're really just wasting time. You know, take action, click on the link, get your knowledge, and get started. That's all it takes. Be a person of action. Don't be a person just sitting back and letting the time go by and watching other people get their success. I know you got to be tired of that too. So if you're tired of that, then you definitely need to click on the link below and get started. Also, my #1 business opportunity that I promote, which is the first link that you'll see, that is an avenue of which you can get started. Like I said, that's Funnel-X ROI. Another opportunity that I promote as well is called $25 1-Up, which is very similar to the Funnel-X ROI system. But it's also, you know, a great opportunity, and also you can come in as little as $25 and upwards up to $500. So that is a great system. Tons of tools, tons of knowledge, lots of resources, including myself, at your fingertips. I've been in this game for quite a while. I've been studying this game for quite a while, so I have a vast amount of knowledge when it comes to all this. So if there's anything that you need, pick my brain. Leave me a comment. Hit that thumbs up. Hit the bell for notification. And I'll continue on putting out more content for you guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care.